What's going on, peeps? It's your boy Ruff. Today I'm coming to you with a short video. Hopefully, I'm gonna skip through a lot of this, but this is my old 2012 Camry. As you can see, there is residue left from what appears to have been tape on my bumper, which is correct. I had tape here because something I noticed is Toyota, they like to fasten these bumpers on with plastic pieces which don't hold for long. So with that said, I put tape on here to secure that, and yeah, I got tired of the tape, having to put new tape on, so I just decided to put screws connecting the inner plastic piece, the waterproof panel, to the actual plastic bumper itself. This is plastic, this is metal. Plastic meets metal, which is why you see a lot more residue here on the metal than you do on the plastic. When it heats up, it gets more sticky on that metal. Obviously it gets hotter. In the winter I didn't have much to worry about, but today I'm gonna try this Goo Gone. Been doing a lot of watching videos and stuff online, so I want to see how this works. It's a very simple process. You just spray this on. It recommends leaving that on there for about 3 minutes, kind of let it sit in there and soak, and then wipe it off with a clean rag. And then after that point of having all the residue off, wash it down with water and soap. Alright, so it has been exactly 3 minutes, and let's see what happens here. I can already tell some of it is coming off. I'm gonna take a little bit of elbow grease in here, but as you can see, it's coming off, which originally it wasn't. So I'm gonna put this phone down, put a little elbow grease in this, and by the way, this is safe for vehicle paint. And I'm actually gonna wet this a little bit with the Goo Gone to help expedite this process. As you can tell already, with a little bit of elbow grease, this is about 40 seconds to a minute, and that's how much has been removed. Well, there you have it. Less than 5 minutes, and all that residue, all that goo is gone. And I had tape on here for over the course of a year, of course reapplied layers of tape, but never taken the goo off. There we go.